In order to use the Windows pesticide screening tool, or WinPST, we need to first check and make sure that it's installed on our computer. The best way to do that is check the Software Center. You may have an icon on your desktop to check it, or you can always go down to the search and type in Software Center, and it'll bring up the app, and you can double click on that. Software Center will open. It'll start reading all the apps that are on your computer. But in this case, we're just going to type in pesticide and either hit the search or press enter. Take a few minutes and then you'll see the Windows pesticide screening tool. In this case, it's installed on my computer. It may say not installed, or if it's not installed, then it gives you the option to install it when you click on it. So you can install it that way.